In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Maps into Notion. By the end, you'll have an interactive map right inside your Notion page, perfect for trip planning, documenting places, or sharing locations with your team. First, head over to Google Maps and find the location you want to embed. You can search for a city, a business, a landmark, or even a custom pin you've placed. Take a moment to make sure the map is showing exactly what you want. Not just the general area, but the specific place or view. Zoom in or out until it looks right, and confirm the address and details in the sidebar if needed. Next, copy the URL of that location from your browser's address bar to your clipboard. This link tells Notion exactly which map to display. Make sure you're copying the full Google Maps link and not a shortened or private link. If you just searched for the place and the map is centered on it, the address bar URL is exactly what you need. Now, switch back to your Notion page. Click where you want the map to appear, type /map, and press enter. Notion will create a map block ready for the link. This is the placeholder where your embedded map will live. So position your cursor there and get ready to paste. Paste the Google Maps URL into the map block and press enter again. Notion will fetch the map and display it right on the page. Give it a second to load, and you should see your exact location appear. That's it. The map is now embedded and ready to use. From here, you can adjust its size to fit your layout. Hover over the block to reveal the handles and drag to make it wider or narrower, or reposition it so it flows nicely with your content. The map is fully interactive, so you can pan around, zoom in and out, and click through to view more details in Google Maps if you need directions or street view. If the map doesn't appear right away, double-check that the link is a standard Google Maps URL and that your internet connection is stable. A quick paste and enter again usually resolves it. Also, consider how it looks on your page. Making it a bit larger can improve readability, especially if you're showcasing routes or neighborhoods. And that's all. You've embedded a Google Map into Notion, kept it interactive, and sized it for clarity. Save your changes and enjoy a cleaner, more informative page that brings locations to life right where you work.